Model, 2007 Mercedes Sprinter 311 Cdi Mwb runs and drives very long MOT drive, away. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 172089. MOT, the 7th of February 2026. Engine, 2148 CCOM 646 109 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.